How to reset password on forex.com. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and search for forex.com. Then over here, click on the login option. Once you do, you want to select the account type where you want to log in. Then click on that. After that, if you want to reset your password, click on I forgot my password link. Once you click on this link, here you will have to first enter your username, then enter your email address. Now click on the Get New Password option. Once you do that, an email will be sent to you with a link. You simply want to click on that link, and from there you will be able to reset your password. Simply enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm, and then your new password will be created. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.